Hi, Ben here and welcome to our Christmas show. So we thought it'd be a great opportunity to show you some of our products that we've actually got available on the store, which are perfect for Christmas stocking fillers and also for those avid woodworkers and bushcrafters out there. If you don't know what to get them for Christmas, then I'm sure that we've got something here that would suit them. So we've got a wide selection of our blades that we wanted to show you and talk through some of the options that we've got on there, and obviously some of the other products that are just perfect. If you've already got a big bushcraft knife, do you need a companion blade and all those other extra cutting tools that you might need out in the field? So let's talk you through some of the items that we've got. So it's a special year this year. This was our 25th year of making the Woodlander. So we wanted to bring an anniversary version of this Woodlander model out, which has got a beautiful olive ash handle on it, ABL stainless steel blade with this beautiful custom etch which has got the stylised view of the Malvern Hills from our workshop, and they all come with a beautiful leather wax sheath and one of these olive ash display stands as well, so that you can obviously look at it and use it out in the field. And these are all numbered, and we're only going to be producing them for this 25th year, so there's a few available on the store now, so remember to grab one before your time's up. So the other knives that we've got available are our Pixie models. So we've got a few variations of this. The Pixie is a perfect companion knife if you've got a larger bushcraft knife and you want a more slender blade for sort of finer tasks. So we've got our elementary versions, which are in 01 with a beautiful elm handle. We've also got a really nice ABL version with desert ironwood and striking orange liners. And then we've also got one in a composite material. This is multicam micarta. This has actually got a hammered finish on the actual blade flats on this one, but again with some striking orange liners on that. So beautiful little companion blades, the Pixie. The other larger sort of version of the Pixie is the Campcraft. This is a great all-round companion for when you're working around camp, so whether you want to do wood carving or a bit of food prep. Beautiful teardrop shaped handle on these, so yeah, bigger brother of the Pixie. So we've got our elementary version again in that, so that's 01 with an elm handle. We've also got an ABL version in it, which is green canvas micarta with natural liners, and then obviously the stone washed ABL steel, which makes a totally weatherproof knife. And then we've also got a beautiful English U version as well. So if you really want to sort of tip your hat to sort of English tradition, then obviously that English U is a really beautiful timber to choose. We've also got a selection of other Woodlanders here as well. So we've also got a beautiful English walnut handle on that one that's got some really nice figure into it and colour. This is polished 01 on that one, so the Woodlander obviously has a much more contoured Coke bottle shaped handle to it, which gives you a bit more purchase and a bit more grip if you're using it for longer periods. And then we've also got an ABL version again in the micarta, so you've got a weatherproof version. This one's very striking, it's got those natural liners, and it's also got these two-tone loveless bolts on there as well. And this one actually comes with a special dangler sheath, so you've obviously got that option of having the popper dropper on it as well, but it also incorporates a fire steel as well, so you've got everything you need with you when you go out into the woods to make a shelter and make a fire. And one of our favourite designs that we haven't had out for a few months is the Bushmuck. So this is a beautiful leaf-shaped blade which is based off the Nesmuk style blade shape, which is a sort of iconic bushcraft knife. Great for those finer tasks and also for sort of heavy work as well, with this very shapely handle which suits it sort of for chopping and things like that. And then a new model that we haven't actually brought out at all before, this is actually called the Vilmark. So this is a purpose-built survival knife. This has been sort of designed for survival tasks and capabilities. This one's got an exposed tang to it as well, so obviously you can use that for striking. It's got 3 lashing points. This is in a beautiful blasted brown micarta, so you've got plenty of grip and again a totally weatherproof handle. And this one's in 3.5mm ABL. Really amazing steel that will give you great edge retention, but also means that you can take it out into the woods and not fear any corrosion and things like that. This particular model has both sheath options as well, so you've got a Kydex sheath with an incorporated fire steel as well that matches the handle material, and then we've also got a Orford waxed leather belt sheath as well. The Orford waxed leather is just bomb-proof basically. It's the kind of crossover between leather and Kydex. Very hard wearing, very durable, very waterproof, and obviously you can swap your fire steel between the two. So from the bushcraft tools, we've got more dedicated hard use chopping tools. So one of our favourite designs that we've made for many years is the Orford parang. This is a real favourite with anybody going to the jungle or using it hard in the British UK woodlands. This is an E-band style blade shape with this beautiful curved blade to it. This particular model is in ABL with polished micarta and really striking mosaic pins on that one as well, with those offset red liners to it. That's a really nice tool if you want a hard use chopping tool. We've also got one of our Kukris. This is a great sort of blade shape if you've got that sort of traditional look of a Kukri blade, but obviously this has actually incorporated the design of Lofty Wiseman's jungle tool handle, which we obviously got permission from Lofty that we could incorporate that in this sort of unique fusion of the two tools. Great comfortable shaped handle, so you've got real positive grip on that one. This one's in 01 steel, so this is a sort of traditional carbon steel, but brown micarta on the actual handle, and this comes with a nice leather sheath as well, this one. And there is also a new design that we haven't really released properly yet. This is the Expedition Machete. This is a longer, straighter bladed machete, great for sort of clearance of brush, secondary growth in jungles, and obviously clearing any kind of foliage and things like that. Much longer blade, straighter blade to this, and this incorporates a Scandi grind that then blends into a convex grind as well for ease of chopping. This particular one is in 2.5mm ABL, square here for fire striking and then rounded off here for making it more comfortable in use, and a very ergonomic, comfortable handle to it. That particular model comes with a Kydex sheath, so again you've got a totally weatherproof blade. And then the final chopping tool that we really like making is one of our Nordic carvers. This is just that sort of striking Viking blade shape, which just looks fantastic, but also that curved blade shape allows you to really help remove material when you're using it in the field for spoon carving, making bowls, things like that. This is in 4.5mm 01, really strong carbon steel, and then a bomb-proof micarta handle on that one as well. So with all these kind of larger tools, you might see that some of these aren't actually available on the store to click to buy, like the parang and stuff, but we are still producing them. So if you've got any questions on the parangs or the machetes, especially our Orford parangs, whether it be the pocket version or the full-size version, just drop us a WhatsApp message or drop us an email, and we can obviously have some in stock, but also we can produce one to your specifications as well. So our super fun and super practical little gift ideas, perfect little stocking fillers, or even obviously hanging on the Christmas tree itself, is one of our Atom axes. These are made out of 2.5mm carbon steel, really nice and sharp, obviously for opening your packages, cutting string, sharpening your pencils, but also they're left square on this spine here, so you can actually use it as a fire striker as well. And they incorporate this beautiful little magnetic sheath that you can obviously stick on your fridge or stick on your filing cabinet, but also wear it around your neck as well. So super fun, and Lois has made these really striking green ones, so they're really nice. They're available on the store. And using that same sort of concept of the magnet, our classic field knives, they've been super popular for many, many years. Incorporate that lovely bit of antler as a comfortable handle, and then obviously a leather sheath that's got that magnet in it that just grabs that blade, and a bit of friction as well just holds it in place. So we've got those available in various different colours, and you can either have the classic tine or you can have what we call the snub, which is a little bit sort of squarer on the end, obviously suits your hand shape. So perfect little gift ideas. And then probably our favourite UK legal folders are our Nomads. So we've got a few variations of colour on those. This is actually in ABL steel, stainless steel, and then G10 handle. This is in a striking orange colour with beautiful black liners. So again, this is totally UK legal. It's under 3 inches, got no mechanical lock on it, but as soon as you open it and you hold it in your hand, it can't fold on your fingers. And these come with a simple little Kydex neck sheath, so that locks it in place, and that can be worn around your neck. And obviously you can also order a leather belt sheath for these as well. So that's our full-size Nomad. And then we also have this cool little Nano Nomad. So this is a sort of 75% reduction in size of the full-size Nomad. Incorporates the same sort of technology of having that spur that locks it in place when you're holding it in your hand. But this is just super cool if you want a very small, compact little pocket knife that will fit into that sort of funny little pocket that you have on your jeans that you never know what to use it for. It's absolutely ideal for your Nano Nomad. So this is in blue and black with ABL, and this one comes with a nice orange Kydex neck sheath as well. So yeah, super fun UK legal folders. So always a great staple for this time of the year is our carving tools. We've got a wide selection of straight sloyd knives, whether it's the 2-inch sloyd or our 3-inch sloyd. This is a beautiful craft knife that you can use for spoon carving and any kind of other craft work. The contoured handle makes a super duper comfortable fit for the hand, and you're not going to have any fear of you getting hot spots when you're using it for long periods of time. So we've also got our different crook knife blades. So we've got our medium crook knife and our flatter curve, and also our standard small crook knives as well. So these are available in either the standard handles or the hybrid handles. And remember, if you don't want individual tools and you want a pretty comprehensive kit, we've got 2 wood carving kits available that come in a canvas tool roll. We've either got our fundamental or our complete, which obviously the complete has a wide range of carving tools that are just perfect for all those kind of woodcraft projects. And then finally, if you're looking for something a little bit different, we've got a wide selection of leather tool covers. So Lois makes these beautiful saw cases for a wide range of different folding saws. So either the Barco or the Gomboy or the Pocket Boy or the Silkies, all those wide range of different cutting tools. If you're looking for something to keep your head dry or warm, we've got our wax caps that have got our lovely little leather logo stitched on there that Lois puts on. Or we've got our colourful woolen buffy beanies. So you'll never see me without my beanie on my head, especially this time of the year. Lovely wool, comfortable, not itchy, but super duper warm, and they come in a wide range of colours. Obviously I tend to go for a sort of the muted greens, but if you're wanting something a little bit brighter so that you don't get lost in the woods, we've got a range of purples, reds, and also these nice muted greys as well. So these are all available on the store, and they're all ready to ship straight away, so you can get them in time for Christmas. So hopefully that showed you a few of the different models that are available. Obviously lots of different shapes and sizes, whether it's the simple carving tools or if you wanted to get one of those special 25th anniversary knives, that would be amazing. And yeah, that's what we've all got available on the store now. We just wanted to wish you a very, very happy Christmas and hope you have a fantastic time with friends and family. And remember to follow us on obviously YouTube, but also Instagram. I'm Craft Lab Knives on there and Lois is Craft Lab Leather. But also remember to follow us on our Facebook group, which is the Ben and Lois Orford Owners Group. So there's lots of things happening on the Facebook page there, lots of raffles, lots of information, people showing you their collections and obviously how to look after and sharpen them and things like that. So yeah, hope you have a fantastic Christmas, and we'll see you in the new year.